to get these men worked up so sexual. Older dancers gag at what new talent seems to mean. Smaller tits and younger limbs can cause a fit of rivalry. But it is a job, it pays a lot. Is it deserving someone? And is it good to get these men worked up so sad?